Silva here. I'm going to walk you through how to be creating a skull with your packet of Model Magic. So here we go. You should have a packet of Model Magic. Just one is plenty to make a skull. Open up that sucker, squish it around in your hand. It might feel a little dry when you first open up the package. So with your hands, you're going to smush it around in a ball. You can press it into different shapes just to get it kind of warmed up and going. I decided to start rolling mine into kind of a ball shape, squishy ball. Then I put it flat on the table and I used my fingers to kind of like pinch where the cheekbones would be if you think of cheeks. It's kind of almost like a kind of triangle shape, or maybe like a light bulb is what I thought when I was making it. So there's kind of my general outline of my skull. You can see kind of where the chin would be. These are kind of the cheekbones, and then I'm going to start putting my eyeballs up in here, or eye sockets, excuse me. I used this old paintbrush. If you have a pencil, that will work great. If you have a skewer, that will work great. Anything around that's kind of pointy, whatever you got it on hand. And I stuck mine too close together. They didn't turn out very good. I didn't like them very much. So I just restarted. I squished it out into a ball again, and I was like, well, here we go. Let's restart. So I'm squishing it in the sides, pinching the cheekbones again, and then this time I flattened it a little bit just with my hand, not too much, just to get it kind of flat. And I was really careful this time to kind of use the edge, the pointy side of the tool, but then I kind of like almost twirled it around to make the hole bigger instead of just poking it in as like a small point. So it's looking pretty good. I made some little nostril holes with the pointy part of my paintbrush. I did the same thing with the jaw, or like a mouth portion. I did mine in kind of a smile. I wanted it to be friendly. And then I used the pointy side of the paintbrush again to make teeth. And when I made teeth, it kind of pressed down here, and I liked it. It was like kind of, the top of your mouth and then the bottom of your mouth a little bit lower. I liked the way that turned out. And then I used my pinky finger to make my eye sockets bigger. I feel like that worked pretty good. And there it is. So that is more or less the kind of skull you could make if you wanted to do like a human type skull. I smushed it again just to start a new one. And I attempted to make a cat skull, even though their ears would go away because they're cartilage. I made some big eye sockets. And then the nose, I thought I would make like a real nose, but then it looked like a gremlin, so I squished it. My third attempt was an owl skull, and I know that owls have really big eyes, so I made really, really big eye sockets. And I tried to make a beak, and it looked really weird. So then I squished it again. And I thought, well, maybe I'll just go back to my human skull. That seems to be working out best for me. But for the intents and purposes of this video, I just want to show you how you should store your model magic if you need to come back to it later. Put it back in the bag that it came in, and then put that bag in a bag, or in some plastic wrap like I have here, Ziploc bag, but you want to make sure the air does not touch it as best you can. The air will start to dry it out, and then you won't be able to mush it up into another shape. So make sure that if you're coming back to it later, you're definitely keeping it airtight. 2 layers of wrapping is best. All right. I hope this helps. I will see you in class, hopefully. And if I don't, happy making skulls. Good luck out there. Let me know if you need help. I got you.